So student, today in this video we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 10, The Lost Pumpkin Part 1. This story is written by Deepa Agarwal. Deepa Agarwal is born on 23rd December in 1947 in Almora. Author, poet and translator Deepa Agarwal writes for both children and adults and has 50 published books to her credit. She has received several awards for her work, and her picture book Ashoka's New Friends was awarded the National Award for Children's Literature by the National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is NCERT. So student, this is a very funny and interesting story, The Lost Pumpkin. What do you mean by lost? Lost means missing. So this whole story is all about the missing pumpkin. Now let's read this chapter. Help, help, he has robbed us, the thief. A loud voice woke up Soumya, rubbing her eyes. She jumped out of bed and ran to the window. In the kitchen garden below, she could see her grandfather angrily waving his walking stick. Soumya ran down the stairs with her brother Rohit. Means, in a very morning, Soumya woke up by a loud voice by her grandfather, and he is screaming, "Help, help, he has robbed us, the thief." And then, rubbing her eyes, she jumped out of bed and ran to the window to see what is going on. In the kitchen garden below, she could see her grandfather angrily waving his walking stick. Soumya ran down the stairs with her brother Rohit. Now what is the meaning of robbed? Robbed means stolen. Robbed means stolen. And what is the meaning of waving? Waving means to shake. Move one's hand to in greeting or as signal. Dadaji stood near a bed of vegetables. His face was red with anger. "What happened, Dadaji?" asked Soumya. Unable to speak, Dadaji pointed his stick to a spot. Soumya looked, then looked again and screamed, "Oh no, it's gone!" Rohit, still confused, asked, "What's gone?" Now here, Dadaji is standing near a bed of vegetables and his face was red with anger. Then Soumya asked, "What happened, Dadaji?" And Dadaji is unable to speak and he is pointing his stick to a spot. And then Soumya looked there. She looked again and then she started screaming that, "Oh no, it's gone!" Means the pumpkin is gone. Pumpkin is missing. And Rohit is still confused about what's going on and what's gone. Then, "My pumpkin, my precious pumpkin," cried Dadaji. Now here, Dadaji is saying, "My pumpkin, my precious pumpkin." Precious means very valuable. By this time, a crowd had collected at the scene. Here, a crowd had collected at the scene. Crowd means a large number of people gathered together. By this time, a crowd had collected at the scene. The gardener was in tears. The gardener was in tears. His son, Paltu, looked sad. The milkman was curious to know what had happened, and the washerwoman nodded wisely. Here, everyone was gathered there to know what happened, and the milkman was curious to know what happened, and the washerwoman was also eagerly to know what is going on. I saw him jump over the wall, she said. Then what she said, washerwoman, that I saw him jump over the wall. Now, nonsense, said Paltu. Now Paltu is saying nonsense. He came from the other side. I saw him. Now here Paltu is saying, no, I have seen that he came from the other side. Why didn't you catch him then? Asked Rohit. Rohit asked here to the Paltu son that why didn't you catch him when you saw him? Just then Soumya squealed a footprint look. Then Soumya squealed. Squealed means, here you can see, squealed means cried out in a loud, shrill voice. Soumya started saying in a loud voice that there is a footprint. Look. What is the meaning of footprint? The impression left by a foot or shoe on the ground or on a surface. Now look at next page. Sure enough, there was a large footprint near the pumpkin plant. Said Rohit thoughtfully. Now who has such big feet? Of course, Mr. Kapoor's gardener. I knew Kapoor was behind this. Always after my pumpkins. Come on, let's get him, wrote Dadaji. Now, what here? Dadaji saying that I knew that Kapoor was behind all this and he is always after my pumpkin. So come on and let's get him. It took the children some time to calm their excited grandfather. Children started to calm their excited grandfather. And what is the meaning of calm? Calm means soothe. Make someone quiet. They felt sorry for him because they knew how he felt about his pumpkins, especially the one that was stolen. You see, for the last 15 years, Dadaji had been winning the local vegetable contest and walking away with the first prize. Here walking away means getting. Here. His pumpkins was always the best. No other vegetable could match it. This year's pumpkin was huge, but now it was gone. Of course, Mr. Kapoor was the thief. He had challenged Dadaji, saying he would grow a better pumpkin and win the prize. What is the meaning of challenged? Challenge means invited to compete in a contest. Many a time he had come looking around with the excuse of tasting Granny's pumpkin halwa. Better than Matru's halwais, he always said. Now, Soumya tried to reason with her grandfather. Dadaji, we cannot just march into Mr. Kapoor's house and call him a thief. Maybe he has not taken the pumpkin. Here, Soumya is trying to making understand to her grandfather that Dadaji, we cannot just go like this into Mr. Kapoor's house and call him a thief. Maybe he has not taken the pumpkin. I know he has, said Dadaji. Here Dadaji is saying, I know he has. I have an idea, said Rohit. Now Rohit is saying that I have an idea. Let's pretend to visit him, Dadaji. What is the meaning of pretend? Pretend means behave so as to make it appear that something is the case when in fact it is not. Dadaji, while you speak to him, Soumya and I will look around. Wow, Rohit, this is your first great idea of the year. Teased Soumya. Teased means make fun of a person. Here, Soumya is making fun of Rohit by saying that, wow, Rohit, this is your first great idea of this year. So off they went to Mr. Kapoor's house. He and Dadaji soon began to argue about their vegetable gardens. The children quickly slipped away to look around Mr. Kapoor's garden. They looked everywhere, but there was no sign of the pumpkin. Means, when Dadaji and Mr. Kapoor started arguments about their vegetable gardens, the children, means Soumya and Rohit, quickly slipped away to look around Mr. Kapoor's garden. And there they find nothing, no sign of the pumpkin. Where could it be? Wondered Soumya. Now Soumya is wondering where could be the pumpkin. In the house? Look, whispered Rohit. Rohit said, look, that little shed. It must be in there. However, all that they found were bags of manure. What is the meaning of manure? Manure means animal dung used for fertilizing land. Some flower pots and garden tools. What are you doing here? A voice rolled behind them. It was Mr. Kapoor's gardener. Nothing, said Soumya. While they were searching, looking for the pumpkin, behind them, they heard a voice. And it was a voice of Mr. Kapoor's gardener. He asked, what are you doing here? Then Soumya said, nothing. And then Rohit said, our pumpkin. Where is it? He asked, Rohit asked here to the gardener, where is it? Your pumpkin. At first, the man looked puzzled. First, Mr. Kapoor's gardener started thinking about the pumpkin, and then he understood what the children meant. He ran into the house shouting, Sir, Mr. Kapoor, these children, they say we have stolen. Here, the gardener of Mr. Kapoor is trying to say that the children are saying that they have stolen the pumpkin from their garden, and he started shouting, Sir, Mr. Kapoor. That children means to say that they have stolen the pumpkin. So children, this is the story of the lost pumpkin part 1. We will read the part 2 in our next chapter. Till then, you have to read this chapter. And that's it for today. I hope you have understood. This is a very funny and interesting story by Deepa Agarwal. So I am giving you 2 tasks. First, you have to read this story, read this chapter, and second, you have to underline the hard word. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.